girls, brothers and sisters. Today I'm here to talk to you all about a very important topic, and this topic is very important not just in Islam but also in the outer world, and that topic is having respect toward your siblings and giving them the rights that they deserve. Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us many gifts in this world, alhamdulillah, too many to even count, but one of the greatest gifts by far is the gift of our siblings. So the important question that we need to ask ourselves is, do we respect our siblings? Do we show them love? Do we show them that we care for them? Do we give them the rights that they deserve? Or do we get angry every time our siblings speak to us? Or do we get annoyed every time they do something little in the house? Do we get embarrassed from them when we're in the public or we're at school? Do we let them talk to us? Do we let them tell us what they're feeling, what their concerns are? So if you're an older sibling, you need to make sure that you befriend your younger siblings. Be their friend, be their role model, be their leader. Show them that you do love them and that you do care for them. And if you're a younger sibling, you need to make sure you know that your older sibling does care for you and that they only ever wish the best for you. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us amongst those who show respect to our siblings and give them the rights that they do deserve. Thank you.